with you. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today.
Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Andito tayo ngayon. Second day natin dito sa Vakantie Park ng Oostappen here in Lomel. And ang weather natin ngayon ay hindi masyadong maganda. You can observe the sky is very gloomy. So, but the temperature is around 16 degrees. And today we will go to their supermarket to shop. And I want to show you what are the situation here. See? Yeah! Hello! Mga vlogger. Yan, nagka-hi sila. See? And they're kind of friendly here. People are really friendly. Oh my god. So, never expect yung camera ko kasi medyo hindi siya ganun ka-clear nung nagbabay sila. But anyway, they're so friendly people here. Some people having this different kind of caravan or mobile home. They're cleaning. And this, they have cars with extension for their bikes. And there, so people here usually go on biking. They have this very well-known place where you can bike around the forest. And we will also try that one. We will rent a car, a bike for us, for the family. So we are walking, and these are the houses, and the family are getting their breakfast. And later we will go to the swimming pool also and check.
So neat, Noah.
So guys, we will take video later sa kanilang supermarket. Ayan, may mga mark kung saan yung nakalagay yung mga mobile homes. Meron din sila ditong medyo magagandang mga bahay. Hirske. Ano ba yan? Maganda siya. Meron siyang, so I don't know if it's owned by permanent owner or still in the same, no idea. So if you will check their website, they have this different prices depending on the house you want to rent. And this area here, these are the people who have their own tent. So if you're comfortable having your own tent, you can also enjoy it here. And of course they have, you're gonna pay lesser, but you have to bring your own tent or that kind of caravan. So every summer here, it's their custom to really go out and enjoy the summer. But the summer here is not really summer like in my country. So here you will expect some days are rainy days like now. And then see that big paraflu or cover, that's the play area for the kids. So there's not so much kids this time because it's kinda cold still, or they're still having breakfast, but I think later it will be a little bit sunny. And that area there, that's the Blauwe Meer. So actually this is a man-made lake. Before they removed all of this sand there to produce glasses and other materials, and then somebody bought this area and decided to make it like a vacation park. Gillis, his name. So it's kind of nice. And here is the golf area. You can play here golf. So there. That covered area there is the Speelstrand and the swimming pool. See? There. So guys, at my back is the swimming pool. So we will be going there later. And as of now, there's not so much people inside the swimming area. And see, they have a very nice sliding. So, oh my god, it'll be fun with the kids. So this is the indoor Speelstrand. You can check. This is the paradise for small children. And this is their supermarket. You need to, in their supermarket, you check for, we have here barbecue, we have Lay's, here bread, you can choose. So guys, I will buy this Wursten broad. It's a sausage wrapped with a sort bun bread. Buy this. It cost me €8.5. So yeah, buy it. It's from France, I think. You have a new bowl. You have a bowl for €4, so the children can enjoy, and they like this. They like this plastic bowl, €4.
Yeah!
Come. Hey, so ni maniram to spelen eh, Noah. Come, Noah. Come. Come, Isik ni Noah. Okay. What?
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it real long. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know. Wow. Come on. And move it on. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. Oh honey. Come and move along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel you gotta feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel you gotta feel it. On the roadway, you gotta move along. Gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along.
Say hi. Like welcome to my YouTube channel.